9 on line segment TD. So we got some line segment TD. M's in the middle. It's the midpoint. If T is at 2, 4, so it tells me where T is located, 2, 4, and D is at 6, 8, where's the midpoint? M. Okay. So this one is simply find the middle. Much easier. To find the middle of anything, you add your x's together, divide by 2, add your y's together, and divide by 2. So it'll be, my x's are 6 and 2, so I add them together, divide by 2. No clue why that just changed to red, but wow, cool. And then add my y's together and divide by 2. So we get 8 divided by 2, which is at 4. And 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. So M is at 4, 6. I have no clue why the colors are completely changing from one time to the next. What is the distance? This is, okay, it says it's on blue. What is the distance from -1, 2 to 3, -1? So you have a point, and you're trying to go to another point, and you're trying to find the distance. Well, really, all you have is you have a Pythagorean theorem problem. This horizontal will be the change in the x's. The vertical here will be the change in your y values. So to do this, we could remember the distance formula is simply the square root of the change of our x's squared plus the change in our y's squared. Okay, so how much do our x's vary by? It goes from -1 to 3. How far apart are -1 and 3 on a number line? They're 4 apart. So this is going to be 4 squared. The change in our x's is 4. If you're not sure, -1 minus 3 is a difference of 4. Now, with this, we're only worried about distance. So a -4 is the same as a +4 here, especially when you square it. -4 squared is the exact same as 4 squared. So always leave it positive in here. There's a few textbooks that actually make this the absolute value of that squared, but we're not worried about that. Change of the y's. The y's go from 2 to -1. How far apart are the number 2 and -1? They're 3 apart. So it's then 3 squared. So this ends up being 16 plus 9. Ooh, look what we get. Square root of 25, which is a perfect distance of 5. They're 5 apart. That's the distance between these 2 points.